Hi, Lou Hobaica, Hobaica Services. I have some great news I think you're really gonna like. Introducing our lifetime thermostat guarantee. First off, you're probably wondering, what's in it for me? And secondly, what's the catch, right? Well, let me tell you, there is no catch. It doesn't matter what type of thermostat you have, how old it is, or whether or not we even installed it. If it fails, we'll replace it. Simple. Here's how it works. Apply our lifetime thermostat guarantee sticker to your thermostat, as many as you have in your home. Activate your guarantee by scanning our QR code, or go to our website, or simply just call our office. If your thermostat fails for any reason, contact us. We'll come to your home and we'll replace your thermostat for free, up to a $399 value. If it happens to cost more than that, we'll apply a $399 credit. Simple as that. So be sure to get your thermostat covered under our lifetime thermostat guarantee. You'll have one less thing to worry about. One thing I can guarantee is we are the most likable people you'll ever meet. You'll like a Hobaica. Take care now.